risk of thunderstorms coming in Sunday night that may be a little rough when they come through, but a risk of severe weather next week. This morning, we're just waiting for this humidity to scour out, and it will. It's almost gone. Dew points are dropping 69 degrees. As soon as that wind turns more to the west, then the dew points will drop off, and the afternoon will be warm, but not humid, and it will be windy. Expect winds to gust to 30 miles an hour today. Tomorrow, there may be a spot shower. This model tends to overplay the chance of rain, but a spot shower is possible. So our forecast for Friday here in the city, we'll see the clouds increase midday. That chance of rain appeared farther to the south. So we'll call it a spot storm. Winds again, still from the west at 15 with higher wind gusts up to 35 on Friday. Saturday, a beautiful day, low humidity, comfortable temperatures. And then Sunday morning, there may be a brief shower, but Sunday night, there's a risk of storms. Monday night, there's a risk of storms. Tuesday night, there's a risk of storms, and there is a severe component in that as well, with wind, hail, and isolated tornadoes possibly to be considered. The amount of rain that may fall by the time all this rain adds up could be up to 2 inches of rain here in Kansas City. So that's a good amount to water the lawn, water the gardens and the crops, and not cause flooding. Let it spread out over time. Notice also that this system that brings us our rain will bring us cooler temperatures, and it will feel cooler, of course, because we've been here in the mid 80s, but all it's really doing is bringing our temperatures back to normal. Notice that by Wednesday we're at 74, 73 Thursday, and 74 on Friday.